Toptal freelancers often charge $60 to $200 per hour, because the platform focuses on premium clients, while many Fiverr gigs still start at $10 to $50. That one difference changes everything. By the end of this, you'll know which platform pays more, who each platform is built for, and where you should spend your time. Here's the direct answer. Toptal pays more per client. Fiverr can make you more volume. That's the trade-off. Start with Toptal. Toptal is built for experienced freelancers. It screens applicants before letting them in. That means less competition and higher-paying clients. If you're a software developer, finance expert, or product designer, Toptal clients usually expect serious rates. A single project can be worth thousands. The downside is getting in. The screening process can take weeks and includes skill tests and interviews. A lot of people don't pass. Now Fiverr. Fiverr is easier to join. You can create a gig today and start selling immediately. But pricing works differently. Buyers often compare multiple sellers side by side. That pushes prices lower, especially in crowded niches like logo design or writing. A beginner might charge $20 for a logo. An established seller might charge $300 for the same category. That means Fiverr income depends heavily on reviews, gig ranking, and upsells. Here's where Fiverr can win. Repeat orders. If you build strong gigs, you can stack multiple smaller orders fast. $50 orders in a week is still $250. That's easier to reach than landing one high-ticket Toptal contract. So who should choose what? Pick Toptal if you already have proven experience, a strong portfolio, and high-level skills. The higher barrier usually means higher budgets. Pick Fiverr if you're new, testing services, or building your first freelance income. It's faster to start and easier to scale with smaller clients. One mistake people make is chasing Toptal because of bigger rates without having the experience. That usually wastes time. A better move is building proof on Fiverr first, then moving up later. Quick recap. Toptal pays more per project. Fiverr pays less per order, but can generate faster volume. Your next step is simple. Check your current skill level and decide whether you need access or experience first. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more freelancing breakdowns.